Yeah, let me go into it. And so I used to have a difficult time, and I was bringing this difficulty at work because work is the place where I used to spend the most time. And I was looking for support in my peers, in my leaders. And work was a way for me to escape. And by working hard, I thought I would be able to actually numb those feelings until it was too late. And when I tried to look at what are the things that I could do, I discovered coaching. And coaching gave me the tools to understand, to find myself back, to look deeper in myself and really try to understand what are the values, what drives me, and what actually makes me happier. So what I want to do with future people is take those tools and try to see how we can support you in making yourself happier. That's what I need, a team. Bonjour, je m'appelle Hélène et je fais partie de l'équipe Future People.